Depending on your work schedule, working out in the afternoon or at night might be best for you. I'm here to let you know all the benefits of you working out in the afternoon or the night. And if after this video you're wondering what are the benefits of working out in the morning, check this video out right here. It'll answer all your questions. Truth be told, I mostly work out at night. I work out after work. It's just when I feel better and it's best for my schedule. So don't feel bad if you aren't 5 a.m. get up person. Neither am I. And actually, research shows that you physically feel better in the afternoon than you do in the daytime. Muscle strength, flexibility, power output, and endurance are all better in the evening than in the morning. Plus, people who exercise in the evening take up to 20% longer to reach their point of exhaustion. And that means you have more energy and more power to work out in the evening. A major benefit to working out in the evening is your core temperature is just warmer because you're moving throughout the day. This is a fact for everybody. In the evening, you've already moved around and warmed up your body and got it ready. So now it's ready to work out, so you're a lot more limber, you're a lot looser. Don't get it wrong, you should still stretch, you should still do some type of warm-up activity, but you are a lot more warmed up in the evening than you are in the morning. Let's get a little scientific. Testosterone is important for building muscle in men and women, and your body might produce more of it during the afternoon workouts than the morning workouts, resulting in a greater strength and muscle gain. And this is also important if you're trying to lose weight. Jumping rope at night can also serve as a good stress reliever after a long, tough day at the office. The surge of endorphins you get during an afternoon jump rope session can be a sweet nightcap that helps you wind down before bed. Jumping rope at night can help replace some of those bad habits that you have. If you want to replace bad habits like snacking, drinking, smoking, or watching too much TV, allow jump rope to swoop in and take their place. Once you get in the practice of jumping rope at night, you might be surprised that you don't even miss those old habits. Now you know I can't give you the good without giving you the bad too. So here are some of the drawbacks to jumping rope at night. If you start jumping rope a little bit too close to bedtime, it could interfere with sleep. Now this is not for everybody. Everybody don't have this problem. Some people can jump rope, take a shower, and go right out, no problem. But for some of us, it causes us to be too energized and ready to go. I know if I work out too close to bedtime, it causes me to stay up for a few more hours because I'm just energized and ready to go. Some researchers find that you shouldn't do any kind of exercise at least 90 minutes before bedtime. So keep that in mind if you're considering jumping rope at night. Another problem with jumping rope at night is you might just be tired from the long day. Afternoon and evening workouts might interfere with daily responsibilities, especially if things tend to pile up during the day. So do remember that you're not jumping rope for a long period of time. You're jumping rope maybe 10 minutes. So if you can't fit 10 minutes into your schedule, that's on you. You're not jumping rope for hours, so it shouldn't be a problem to say, hey, I'm watching TV, I can find time to jump rope. I want to go out with these coworkers, but I'm going to jump rope first before getting those calories in. Remember, it is your responsibility. Nobody else is responsible for your health other than you. And if you really want to take your workout to the next level, you might want to try a heavy jump rope. Check this video out right here. I'm sure it'll help you. And as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.